Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Weihang. Today we'll be practicing the last 4 compound finals. Let's get started. The first one today, on. When pronounced the on sound, as you can see, it is quite close to the final an that we learned last time. The difference between an and on is which position that you use to produce this sound. For example, when pronounced the an, it is more likely that we use the front mouth around your lips to produce this sound. And when pronounced the on, it is like from a very deeper position. It's like on is from your back of mouth. Okay, so now let's give it a try. 忙 bang. Did you get that? The second one today, as you can see, also I use a very deeper position to produce this sound. So when you pronounce it, please don't forget, use your back of mouth rather than the front mouth. Then you'll be able to get this sound. Let's give it a try. 梦 冷 Did you get that? Okay, now let's have a look at the third one today. 音 When pronounce the yin sound first, let's pronounce the yin at first, and then just add a little sound at the end. Then you'll be able to get a perfect yin, this sound. Okay, now let's give it a try. 零 yin. This one is not very hard, isn't it? Okay, now let's have a look at the last one today. It is also the last one of all of the finals. It is called on. So when pronounce the on sound, first please pronounce a very perfect o. As we learned before, when pronounce the o, please make sure you round up your lips as round as you can, and then just add an on at the end. Then we'll be able to get this perfect on sound. Now let's give it a try. The first one, 浓 浓 Did you get that? Okay, that's all for today. So far we already learned all of the finals, so if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumb up and I'd really appreciate that. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.